this video, I will be telling you how to create a image to video using the Luma AI. For that, the process is very simple. I will be providing Luma AI link in the description below so guys can check it out. So what you guys have to do is to go to the website, and once you're on the website, all you have to do is to click on the try now button, and by simply doing that, you will be able to use it. So once you will click on it, you will be redirected to this page. So what you're gonna do is click on the start board button. So in here, what you actually have to do is to import two images, giving one for the starting frame and one for the ending frame. Make sure that you have a specific setting. For example, the video duration would be 5 seconds for the free plan, and you can make a video till 720 pixels, and make sure you use Ray 1.6 model because Ray 2 model is for the premium user. So just go ahead and click on the video, and after that give the description what you want to do in the scene, and just click and hit enter. That way you will be able to convert two images into a video. So this is pretty easy and simple, and this is how you guys can do it. I hope you really like this video. If you do, please consider subscribing to our channel. Take care. Bye bye.